my name is Nicolas Leblanc. I'm managing EMEA sales for Pure Storage. I joined the company 3.5 years ago now. Yeah, but first of all, I think Pure has always been at the edge of innovation, because the reality is that we spend 20% of revenues in R&D budgets, okay, which is quite high compared to any of our competitors. So, secondly, I think I love this Gitex experience because it's where innovation is. You can see that sometimes, the vendors are calling this part of the world emerging markets. It's actually innovating markets, to be very honest with you. So when it comes, to our solution, obviously, it's not only innovation that the product that we are launching, or it's also the way, we are organizing and we can modernize the operational layer with our PureOne software, with PureFusion, obviously, with our different consumption model through Evergreen One, and also how we modernize application, especially with Portworx acquisitions, how we provide data services, how we provide, definitely some database as a service, for example, just as an example, to our customers. So it means that, yes, we also have storage, products, but for us, storage is not a commodity. This is definitely a part of the innovation process to provide the right data platforms for our customers moving forward, and something that where we keep what makes Pure agility, flexibility, and simplicity. What you say is very important. Orchestration and probably automation is very high on the agenda. But I think there are 5 key trends driving, the digital transformation of our customers right now. One is definitely the need for having a cloud experience with everything. Either, building their own private cloud, which is definitely where we operate, but having the best of breed, having the capability of choice and capability of freedom to have the cloud experience they like, on-premise, off-premise, with their system integrators, on their site, wherever. That's the first thing. The second one is definitely the cyber defense and the need for backup solutions, strong backup solution, but more importantly, solution where they will restore very fast in a very efficient way if anything happens under cyber attacks. I think the third trend is really about the cloud native and containerization. 86% of the CIO have now a containerization agenda, and they want to move from virtual machines to containerization of application, and we must be able to provide a platform of data services, especially with Portworx being capable of doing that. The fourth trend is definitely unpredictable growth in unstructured data. We can see a huge amount of growth when it comes to file, object, and unstructured data within our customers. And definitely, very high on the agenda is sustainability and energy cost savings, and which obviously, through the Evergreen model, but also, with the consumption model with Evergreen One, we can propose to our customers. Well, we want definitely our channel partners to be a force multiplier of Pure. Now, Pure, we operate in 20 countries in EMEA, but actually, we, as Pure, but we operate in 60 countries in total through our channel ecosystem. We are 100% channel, period. But what you say is very important. We need to provide them, the right enablements, the right certification, the right programs. And I don't want to oversimplify what partners are looking at, but they are definitely touching the customers. They are integrating any type of third-party solution every day. They are doing it. So I think we have the portfolio definitely to propose, to them as well, to have a profitable relationship. Because when we think about what they are looking at vendors, they look at profitability, they look at obviously ease of work, and they definitely look at lead generation together. So we are operating in a market of $65 billion across the globe, and we announced that we will actually review our outcome up to 2.8 million, close to 2.8 billion this year. And at the end of the day, there is a huge market opportunity that we can grab with our channel. But yes, increasing the level of skills by also helping and being hand-to-hand in creating value and creating leads for them is a key success factor.